If you're looking to earn Robux, one way to do it is through Roblox's Please Donate game. However, you can't just get free Robux by the game's name alone. Instead, you earn Robux when other players buy game passes or donate to your booth.to get started. You first need to create game passes or developer products on Roblox.com. These are the items you'll sell at your booth in the Please Donate game. Once you've set up your passes, join the Please Donate game on Roblox and claim your booth. After claiming your booth, your created game passes will appear there for players to purchase. Players can then donate Robux by buying those passes. The Robux you earn after Roblox's small fee will be sent to your account after a processing delay, which usually takes around 5 days. Additionally, you can claim offline gifts through the in-game gift icon.so. The key to earning Robux in Please Donate is creating items, setting up your booth, and waiting for donations from other players.